Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7th, manufacturing industries. This is module 2nd. In first, we discuss about the manufacturing and its importance. Now we will discuss about industrial location. Where and how the industries are to be set up. What facilities will be provided by the government. What are the basic needs that an industry require. Okay. Before that, as we know, manufacturing sector in India plays an important role in GDP, but it is nearly 17% and 10% is related to mining, quarrying, etc. It means if you see, it is nearly 27%. But even then it is less. Some of the eastern countries are there that in Asia, they are having 35, or you may say even more GDP share. It is less even then, but the government is trying hard to maximize, to extend it and to fulfill the basic needs. Okay. Now it has been done by NMCC. This council has been set up, National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council. This has been set up so that the industrialization can be increased, or even they can match with the other industries in the world. Okay. Now, what are the basic needs that are required for the industries? Basic needs, you may say, that is labor, raw material, market, power, etc. So it is not that anywhere the industries can be set up. There are some of the basic needs, and it is a very complex process, because all these things available at one place, it is very difficult. But even then the government tries hard, and some of the economical zone also has been set up to increase these manufacturing industries. Okay. Now what is there? Most important is money. Money plays an important role. If industries are to be set up, the basic need is most important, that will be money. After that, other things will be required. Okay. Now you may say industrialization, setting up of more and more industries so that more and more people can be given job. Industrialization and urbanization, both are related to one another. Urbanization means increasing of the urban areas, the cities. You know that industrialization and urbanization both are related. If more and more industries are there, then cities will automatically develop. The labor, the raw material and market, and even transport, banking, and you may say or other things, basic need that can be provided only by the urban areas. Earlier what was that? Earlier metro cities were the places. Metro cities were the places where industries were set up. Places like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. These were few of the places where industries were set up. Now, the government is trying hard to set up in the industries even into the faraway places, remote areas, and maximum thing is there. The industries are set up where all the basic needs are available. It means availability of raw material, that is also an important thing. Market, transport. so that the finished good can be sent from one place to another easily. This is also an important thing. So means these things are required that are very important, and even government is trying hard to maximize the industrialization. And if it may be also possible that some of the small states, small areas that can also be converted into this industrial sector, so that more and more job can be you may say converted, so that more and more people can have some of the work. So these are the basic needs that are required for the manufacturing of the industries, and they play an important role in the development of the nation.